Hi, everybody. It's Tereese. I am here today, yay, on a Thursday to share my 2 weeks of Deck the Year, week 14 and week 15. I missed last week, but I'm making it up this week. And I am participating in an open collaboration hosted by Penny at Penny's Crafty Creation here on YouTube. It is an open collaboration where you can come on and share altered playing cards, or you can alter flashcards, you can alter Uno cards. You just come on and share. You don't have to send anything, you don't have to buy anything. Just use what you got and what you have. You can create it any way you want, which is nice because I like either way. I like when it's free and you can do whatever you want. And then I also like those type of collaborations that tell you what you need to use. So I like both of them. Sometimes I don't know what to make. I sit here and I'm like, I have no clue. I wish somebody could tell me what I need to put on this cards. And then there's other times where I just have loads of ideas and I see in my stash what I want to create and then I just do it. So I like either or. Um, and Penny's collaboration is you can create whatever you want. You can alter anything you want, any kind of card, with any theme. You just come on and share. Um, I think it's on Thursdays. I see everybody sharing anytime, which I think is awesome because you can see them all week long. It's also like Saturday morning makes that I'm trying to get back into, where you can post anytime when you can. It's just great. There's no strict rules, which I'm so for. um, so I wanted to come on and share these two cards with you all. So let's start with last week's. I took some book pages, layered it first, and then I laid a napkin. I'll show you the napkins that I used. This is one, and then this is the other. I love this one. I love Paris. I love the Eiffel Tower. Um, and I just laid it over. Well, I took the backing. There are layers in your napkin, and you want to take that off so you have a nice clear napkin. And then I inked the edges with my vintage photo and walnut stain. I stamped on it with my speckle stamp from Stampin' Up. I have this right here ready to go. And then I added some words that I had in my stash. One of my good friends gave me some words. She sent me a file that she created, and I just printed them out on regular copy paper and cut them out on my trimmer, and I have it here. I have other words I've stamped out. This was from a Facebook group, and then here are more of those words. Here are others. This is on regular cardstock. And then I just have what do you call these? Word definitions. I'm like, oh my God, I can't even remember what that is. So I just have it in this container and I can just pull them out whenever I need it. So this one says, great things take time. Allow your soul to grow. I thought that was so pretty and so appropriate for the flowers in the background. These flowers are so pretty. I just love how that looks. And then I added some flat back pearls in pink. I thought that just tied it all together. So pretty. Okay, so for today's deck the year with this card, I did the same thing, but you can't really see the book pages, or you can't even see the what do you call it? The playing card. If I turn it over, you can see it, but this you can't really see it too well. But I still love it nonetheless. I ink the edges of my playing card, and these words I just pulled. You're a dreamer, dream big. You know, dreaming of traveling and um, travel to new places and new experiences. I all love that. This is an old sticker that I had in my stash, and I wanted to use it. It is so perfect for this kind of vintagey um, altar playing card. So yeah, here are my two altar playing cards for Deck the Year this week and last week. So I want to thank Penny for allowing me to partake. And I want to thank everybody for watching and commenting and subscribing. I really do appreciate you all. And I want to thank everybody for watching. So have a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.